Hello everyone and welcome to another fast activity brought to you by CNRL. Today we're going to be looking at hieroglyphics. So I'm Amy and this is Sarah and we're going to take you through how to use hieroglyphics.
So Egyptians use paintbrushes just like we do. So we're going to make some paintbrushes the way that they would have made back in ancient Egypt. So they used plant material like reeds and some sticks. So we're going to use twine as well to wrap our natural materials together. We've got some scissors to cut our twine and then our paint to do our hieroglyphics. So we have a little template here which we will put in a link for you. You can print that out at home. And on our template we have the hieroglyphics alphabet and a cartouche where we're going to put our name. So, what would you like to use to make your paintbrush, Amy?
I'm going to use some sticks. I'm going to try one of these.
I'm going to use these ones. Do I want to use the frothy bits? That is a question. That might be all right. I'll do those. There we go. That might make a bit of a nice paintbrush bristles. Now I'm going to grab some more sturdier sticks to make the handle of my paintbrush. Thank you, Amy. I don't think my knot's very good, but that's okay. Okay.
Alright, there we go.
So my first letter is an S. Now hieroglyphics can go in any direction. So you can go up and down, left and right. And it all depends on which way I think the animals or the people are facing, which dictates which way you can read it. So I think I might go down because I have a few letters to fit in.
I think I might go down too, just because I've got two birds.
The birds are going to be interesting to paint.
They will be.
We'll see how we go with our paintbrushes. I'll do my R next and then I'll come back to the bird.
It's a bit tricky.
There we go.
Beautiful. Well done.
So I stacked mine as well.
Yep.
Just to fit it in.
Straight down.
So that's all done. That's our cartouche. So if we're ever writing a message, we can sign off with our cartouche that we've made and we'll know that that's our name.
And if you want to find out any more information about the hieroglyphics, there is a link below this to take you to the
Encyclopedia Britannica.
So you can get on there and you can have a look and see how the Egyptians used to do it.
Yep, and learn all about hieroglyphics. Fascinating. And that's it.